So, hello friends. Today we are going to talk about one important question, which I mostly get it from the investor, that retail investors specifically, that how to evaluate a stock, or means what are the various ratios to be used sector wise in order to evaluate. I will give you a brief idea today, and this is how even we and my research team are doing. No, when we give you a stock recommendation every time in our profit multiplier service, guys. If you are still not no enroll for it, special offer is going on as it's a year end. You can check it out. The link is given below for our website. You can go and check it out. Now, talking about various no ratios, let us take one by one sector so that you will get an understanding of that. And mostly, I'm going to show you using Screener and Tijori Finance because there the data is available, and now you can use it. Of course, I have a premium version of both Screener and Tijori, but does not mean you have to take it. Okay, for us, it's a different thing because we do lot of analysis. For you, you guys have to decide whether how much you are using, and based on that, if you want, you can take the premium subscription. So let me share the screen first. So let us start with our IT stocks. Okay, IT stocks. So talking about that, guys, let us take one stock, like for example Infosys. Okay, so just few things you have to always consider is that now when you do any analysis, of course, you have to see that company parameters ratio, and you have to compare with the competitors also. So what are the various ratios you can use it for the IT? First is the foremost important is price to equity. P ratio plays a big role. Again, constant currency growth, how much they are getting constant currency growth over the time. What are the guidance related to that? And the third is the attrition level. Okay, how is the attrition level of this company? Net profit margin and all that will play a role, but I think for them, always remember operating margin percentage plays a big role. सो कैसे ऑपरेटिंग मार्जिन बढ़ रहा है वो भी आप देख सकते हो. सो विल टॉक अबाउट वेर यू विल गेट दिस टाइप ऑफ डिफरेंट रेशियो. सो व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट द you can say P ratio, you can see in the screener only. You can get this P ratio here. Okay, so here it is the P ratio, and you can compare with the industry P ratio if you want. Okay, ROE ROC इनका हायर होता है तो वो इतना मैटर नहीं करता है. Keep this in mind. Again, operating profit margin, this is the operating profit margin you have to consider. Okay, ये अगर on a higher level बढ़ रहा है, then it is good. I'm just giving you a snapshot now where you can check it. I want to keep it this video short, so the in a short video at least you'll come to know which are the main ratios to it. So operating margin अगर इनका बढ़ता है so very good, that is a good point. अनदर इज एट्रिशन लेवल. नाउ एट्रिशन लेवल अगर आप बात करेंगे तो वो यहाँ आपको नहीं मिलेगा. एट्रिशन लेवल क्या होता है? कितने बंदों ने जॉब छोड़ी, हाउ मेनी एम्प्लॉइज हैज no basically left the company, and that is a attrition level which earlier used to be very high. Now it has come down. Earlier it used to be 20-25% during the COVID period. Now it has come down to 12%. That thing you will get it through conference call, or the management will tell you through media and all that, this is the attrition level. वो यहाँ नहीं मिलेंगे. Okay, so that attrition level even in Tijori very good. You can see here in the operating metrics, no, you can see here कांस्टेंट करेंसी ग्रोथ जो आता है. इसमें क्या होता है, बेस्ट है कि आप कंपेयर कर सकते हो कंपनी वाइज. ओके, यहाँ हम लोग टीसीएस भी डाल देते हैं. सो यू कैन सी हियर, you can put few companies, and you can see how the constant currency growth is there of company at a company level for each and every company. Okay, so you can see Wipro का नेगेटिव जा रहा है, लेकिन HCL का सबसे ज्यादा है, TCS and Infosys. So through that you will come to know. And now all this company at a segment level, you can want to know na कि भाई segment level पे क्या है. Then BFSI plays a big role. If you see here, here in the quarterly sales also, if you consider year on year growth, यहाँ bifurcation, एक मिनट, यहाँ product segment, yeah. So if you see here, click here product segment, and you can see here it is no financial service, manufacturing, energy, retail, telecom, other. सो यहाँ से आपको पता चलेगा कि किसका कितना शेयर है, एंड अगेन द ग्रोथ परसेंटेज. सेम थिंग हियर इट इज रिटर्न हियर नो दैट कांस्टेंट करेंसी ग्रोथ एट बीएफएसआई लेवल क्या है, हेल्थ केयर लेवल पे क्या है चारों कंपनी का. Okay, so this is a very good understanding when you want to compare with one company's specific segment ratio with the other company specific segment. Okay, तो उससे बहुत ही अच्छा अंडरस्टैंडिंग आता है आपका एनर्जी टेक्नोलॉजी. So this is how you can understand the various no constant currency growth, which is very important to understand. Okay, R&D से इतना फर्क पता नहीं है. एंड अनदर इज नेट सेल्स बाय एम्प्लॉय कॉस्ट, वो भी इतना हम लोग देखते नहीं है. But these chart, four ratios, P ratios, constant currency growth guidance, then attrition level, okay, plays a very big role, and also the operating margin. So these are the four main ratios you have to keep in mind. If you got it, then just have got it for IT in the chat box. वो comment box में डाल दीजिएगा. Okay, I'll try to cover in this video as much as possible, guys. Rest, I'll make another video so that no, at least I'll show it to. I'm going fast because I don't want to talk about one hours here. I'll just try to give you the main ratios first. So this was all about IT industry. Now let us understand another important industry, that is a banking industry. Okay, so banking में जैसे हम लोग ले लेते हैं ICICI बैंक. Okay, and here also we'll take as an ICICI bank. Okay, now when we compare the ICICI bank, of course their ratio is completely different. Okay, और इसमें आपको कुछ ratios यहाँ आपको है ना, I think तिजोरी finance will be very helpful, because तिजोरी finance give you a much more detailed outlook about at a various ratios level. So here you can go to operational metrics, and you can see here, this is what you have to keep in mind. So some of the ratios which you have to keep in mind is, first of all, NII growth, net interest margin कितना आ रहा है और growth कैसे आ रहा है. Then your slippages, so how is the slippage, so net NAP, NPA, net performing assets कैसा आ रहा है. Okay, cost to income ratios आपको देखना पड़ेगा कि आपके कॉस्ट इनकम के सामने कॉस्ट कितना है, व्हाट इज द परसेंटेज. देन कासा रेशियो, कासा रेशियो इस किस तरह से, कासा मींस करंट अकाउंट सेविंग अकाउंट कैसे बढ़ रहे. एंड ऑल्सो यू कैन चेक इट अबाउट द क्रेडिट डिपॉजिट रेशियो, कितना आप क्रेडिट दे रहे हैं अगेंस्ट द डिपॉजिट. These are the main five ratios you have to consider when you are reviewing any bank. So let us understand, and we'll check about few banks. So ICICI, SBI, Kotak. Let us take Axis, okay, and then HDFC Bank. HDFC क्यों आया नहीं भाई? Okay, I don't know why it is not coming, but चलो कोई बात नहीं. We'll take these four banks currently. And अच्छा AUM था इसीलिए. Okay, one minute. I think now it will come. Okay, yes, HDFC Bank is there. See, now you can see here, first of all, we'll talk about the gross NP and net N. Okay, net interest margin ले लेते हैं. Net interest margin क्या होता है? Net interest margin कुछ नहीं, basically the difference between what you are getting as a deposit, and on on that how much interest rate you are paying. And then suppose you are paying a 5% interest rate on the deposit, but when you give that 5%, when do you get that, suppose 5 lakh rupees you collected as a deposit, that you give it as a loan, suppose you give it at a 10%, then what is the difference? 10 minus 5, 5%, that is your net interest income minus expenses. मोटा मोटी बताया आपको, ठीक है. नाउ दिस इज व्हाट इज द एनआईआई. नाउ एनआईआई ग्रोथ आपको यहाँ से पता चलेगा हर एक बैंक का ग्रोथ कितना है, जितना ग्रोथ ज्यादा उतना कंपनी के लिए अच्छा है. अगेन अनदर इंपॉर्टेंट मैट्रिक्स यू हैव टू सी इज द नेट एनपीए. सो नेट एनपीए कैसा है सालों से, यू कैन सी द ऑल दिस कंपनीज आर हैविंग अ नेट एनपीए स्लोली ग्रेजुअली गोइंग डाउन, and this is nothing but the net NPA. Okay, so net NPA basically no, for the banks it is going down, and that is good. So net NPA आपको देखना है, TJB फाइनेंस में बहुत अच्छा दिया है. अनदर इज द कासा रेशियो. सो कासा रेशियो क्या है? करंट अकाउंट सेविंग अकाउंट. ओके, सो अगर आप कासा रेशियो देखोगे, so no, now all this CASA ratio is going down. Earlier it used to be on the 50% and something like that. Now it is slowly and gradually going down. But yes, CASA ratio is very important. देन कॉस्ट टू इनकम रेशियो, कितनी कॉस्ट है आपके इनकम के सामने। सो यहाँ जैसे एसबीआई के 60 है, एक्सिस का 50 है, कोटक का 48 है, आईसीआईसीआई बैंक का 40 है। स्लोली एंड ग्रेजुअली एसबीआई का भी काफी नीचे चला गया है। सो कॉस्ट टू इनकम रेशियो, जितना कम रेशियो होगा उतना आपके लिए बेटर है। क्रेडिट टू डिपॉजिट रेशियो, ये क्या होता है कि आपने जितना डिपॉजिट लिया है उसके सामने आपने क्रेडिट कितना दिया है। And this is very very important metrics to understand because you cannot over leverage, over आप ज़्यादा क्रेडिट नहीं दे सकते। द रीज़न आई टेल यू, अगर आप कुछ ज़्यादा ही क्रेडिट देंगे और अगर डिपॉजिट जो लिए वहां से अगर लोग डिपॉजिट रिडीम करने लगे तो आपने क्रेडिट तो आप 10 साल के लिए दे रहे हो, और डिपॉजिट जो आ रहा है उसमें आप 5 साल यानी 1 साल का दे रहे हो कर, तो वो 1 साल में रिटर्न मांगने आएंगे और आपने यहाँ पैसे क्रेडिट में दे दिए 10 साल में। तो इसलिए क्रेडिट टू डिपॉजिट रेशियो नॉर्मली अगर 70 to 80 के आसपास होता है देन इट इज कंसिडर्ड एज गुड। अगर वो 100 के ऊपर होता है देन यू हैव टू ब्रिंग इट टू 7 to 80 अराउंड, अराउंड 80 to 90 अभी सबका चल रहा है। सो दिस इज व्हाट यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड। ऑल्सो अगर एक बात देखना है तो आप एक कॉस्ट ऑफ बोरोइंग भी देख सकते हैं कि हाउ मच इज द कॉस्ट ऑफ बोरोइंग फॉर ऑल द बैंक्स। एंड नो अभी आप देखो इट इज ऑन अ हायर साइड, एंड कॉस्ट ऑफ बोरोइंग अगर हायर रहती है तो आपका बेसिकली प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी कम होगा। So cost of borrowing is also playing a big role, no, in order to see now where the things are going, where the net profitability is going. Now all these ratio, of course guys, I have spoken fast. आप एक काम कर सकते हो, आप इसको है ना वापिस आराम से ध्यान से इसको देख सकते हो। एक एक जो मैंने रेशियोज बताए हैं वो बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट, जैसे मैंने 4 रेशियोज आईटी के बताए, 5 रेशियोज मैंने बैंक्स के बताए। आप ये देखिए आराम से, इस वीडियो को वापस देखिए and try to grasp in and try to compare that with the banks. I think it will give you a very very good insight. Now please compare with the other banks, okay? Do a peers comparison, that will give you a very very good insight about the stock. So that is what my motto is to creating this. And now you may say tapan only those sector, okay, we'll take some other sector also in the next video, otherwise ये video बहुत लंबा हो जाएगा। I'll try to cover in the next video. Okay, which sector you want to know more, put it in the comment box, so I'll try to take it. And guys, if you're still not no enrolled for our profit multiplier no service, guys, currently year end is going on, offer is going on. If you want, take it. Believe me, you will get some very good quality stocks, and no, which has given a great return, giving you a great return. And no, you can enroll for it. Okay, so do like and share this video, and I'll see you going to see you next time. Okay, bye bye.